Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Tallneck is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any fan of Horizon Forbidden West, offering a stunningly detailed replica of the majestic robotic creature that roams the Forbidden West, and this particular set promises an immersive building experience that captures the essence of the game's unique world and its awe-inspiring machines, making it a must-have for both LEGO enthusiasts and gamers alike. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built replica is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed cafe studio and iconic minifigures of Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. They come with cool accessories for recreating your favorite scenes. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's a fantastic gift for fans and a great way to enjoy solo or shared building fun. It's compatible with your existing LEGO collection. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique stories and models. Measuring over 4 inches high, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your love for the show. What we like. If you're a fan of classic sitcoms and love to relive iconic moments, this set is for you. It brings the beloved Central Perk Cafe to life with all your favorite characters. It's perfect for displaying and sparking conversations about your favorite episodes. What people say. The set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. The set includes 7 minifigures, Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Own a piece of cinematic history with this LEGO recreation of the iconic Infinity Gauntlet. It features all the Infinity Stones and comes with a sturdy display stand. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame. It's a timeless display piece. This impressive homage to Marvel features Thanos' gauntlet with movable fingers and vibrant colors. It's designed to be a timeless display piece. This LEGO building set for adults offers an iconic office or home decor piece. It's sure to be the center of attention and admiring comments. These LEGO Marvel collectibles for adults make great gifts for any occasion. It's an ideal treat for any model-making enthusiast. What we like. For the ultimate Marvel enthusiast who wants a statement piece, this is the one. Its detailed recreation of the Infinity Gauntlet with articulated fingers makes for an incredibly dynamic display. If you're looking to add a touch of cosmic power to your collection, this is your best bet. What people say. Great design with a shiny look. The fingers can move, which is pretty cool. With its shimmering gold bricks and an array of vibrant Infinity Stones, this set is the epitome of eye-catching beauty. The instructions were really simple to understand as the blocks were color-coordinated to match what I was constructing and not black and white. The golden pieces shine beautifully, and the display stand gives it a real, collector's item vibe as the brightness reflects off any light. Number 3. LEGO Horizon Forbidden West, Tallneck 76989. Bring the iconic Tallneck from Horizon Forbidden West into your world with this incredible LEGO building set. It's a faithful recreation of one of the most recognizable machines from the game. This set perfectly captures the essence of the Tallneck with its unique disc-shaped head, antennae, and long legs. Every detail is meticulously replicated in LEGO style for an authentic build. Showcase your creation on a special display stand. It features a brick-built birch tree, tall grass, and a rusty stoplight, bringing a piece of the Forbidden West landscape to your display. Complete your impressive centerpiece with the included LEGO minifigure of Aloy, equipped with her bow and spear. A Watcher LEGO figure, with customizable eye colors, is also included to bring the scene to life. This collectible model kit for adults comes with a booklet containing easy-to-follow, step-by-step building instructions. You can also learn about the set's creation process. With 1,222 pieces, this LEGO set makes a delightful gift for yourself or any Horizon gaming fan. It's an ideal present for Christmas or birthdays, perfect for teens and adults alike. What we like. If you're a fan of the Horizon games and appreciate intricate mechanical designs, this set is a must-have. It perfectly captures the essence of the Tallneck with its unique features and includes alloy and a watcher for an authentic gaming experience. This is ideal for gamers looking to bring their favorite virtual world into their physical space. What people say. The build is incredibly detailed, capturing the essence of Tallneck. The articulated head and neck allow for dynamic posing. Includes a display stand and a small alloy minifigure with a spear. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to embark on an epic building adventure. This is the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created, perfect for adult fans and expert builders. Assemble with beloved characters from the original trilogy and the sequel trilogy. It includes Han Solo, Chewbacca, Princess Leia, C-3PO, older Han Solo, Rey, and Finn. Explore a detailed interior featuring a main hold, a Dejeric game table, and an engineering station. You can even access the engine room and escape pod hatches. Admire the intricate exterior with removable hull panels, a lowering ramp, and a hidden blaster cannon. The cockpit accommodates 4 minifigures. This incredible model measures over 33 inches long and makes a stunning display piece for your home or office. It's a true collectible for any Star Wars enthusiast. Discover hidden details like the concealed blaster cannon and special breathing mask decorations for classic characters. It's packed with authentic movie elements. What we like. This is the ultimate build for the dedicated Star Wars fan and expert builder. With an astonishing 7,541 pieces, it offers an unparalleled building experience and an incredibly detailed replica of the iconic ship. If you crave a challenging project and a centerpiece that screams Star Wars, this is the definitive choice. What people say. The scale, the detail, and the overall presence of the finished model are just outstanding. The level of detail is what really makes this set special. There is so much packed into the design, from the outer hull plating and structure to the interior sections and recognizable features throughout. The build itself is very satisfying. It is a long project, but in a good way. It feels substantial, immersive, and rewarding from start to finish. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75252. Experience the thrill of building the Devastator, a massive model from Star Wars, A New Hope. This is a must-have for any serious collector. This incredible Imperial Star Destroyer model comes complete with a display stand, an informational plaque, and 2 Imperial minifigures with weapons. It's a truly authentic piece for your collection. You'll also find a buildable scale model of the Tantive 4, instantly recognizable from the opening scenes of the very first Star Wars movie. Relive those iconic moments. This amazing set offers a challenging and rewarding building experience. It's perfect for dedicated LEGO brick and Star Wars fans aged 16 and up. With over 4,784 pieces, this collectible measures an impressive 43 inches long. When displayed on its stand, it's truly huge and makes a stunning centerpiece. Looking for the perfect holiday or birthday gift? This set is an exceptional choice for fans who appreciate detailed and large-scale models. What we like. For the serious Star Wars collector who demands the best, this Imperial Star Destroyer is unparalleled. Its immense size and authentic details from A New Hope make it a truly awe-inspiring display piece. If you're looking for a challenging build that results in a monumental representation of Imperial might, this is the ultimate set. What people say. The level of surface detail relative to the 2002 Star Destroyer release is stunning. The stubs add a texture to the surfaces that stands in well for the tiniest details, while the regular LEGO scale detail pieces bring amazing, movie-like realism. Brilliant use of existing pieces and a build approach that shows deep three-dimensional thinking. LEGO's engineering team are geniuses. The detail is great and it was a nice build that once the frame was built and the top and bottom body plates were being placed I realized the sheer size of the set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.